Hello everyone. In today's video we're continuing with the price action, and we're gonna be showing you the high probability price action trading. And what do we consider as a high probability? We say something between 70 to 75%. That's what we consider high probability price action trades. But before we start with the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and of course don't forget to smash the like button. You guys really motivate us to make more videos, to show you more valuable information, and I really hope we are helping you with your trading to become a successful and profitable trader. But now let's focus on our chart. And before we look at the price, what is happening right now, I would want you to look here on these three huge bullish candles. I'm pretty sure if you've watched our previous videos, guys, you already know what that is. But those are the three white soldiers, and this is a very powerful formation. And if you guys haven't watched our previous videos, we're gonna put it on your top right corner right here so you can check it out. But this is a very strong bullish movement. And also little bit before that we had three black crowns, and this is as well a very powerful formation. We actually used it for our previous trade in our previous video. But let's talk about this one here. So I'm just gonna go over real quick and explain it again what the three white soldiers are. This is a bullish formation that it really shows us that the power of the trend is still on, and we're expecting more bullish movements. And as you can see, the price after that was kind of shaky, but it was still going up. And after that we had a huge green candle. But what do we consider as the three white soldiers? You see this big bullish candle. So the previous candle should be different color. As we see, this one is red, and then the next one should be green for the three white soldiers, and it should be engulfing. And what I mean by engulfing is the body of the green candle should be bigger than the one from the previous one. And then the second one, the second bullish candle, have to close above the previous one. So you see we have the engulfing candle, then the next one closes above, and then of course we have the third one, which again it has to close above the wick of the previous one. As you can see, we have that. Of course the third candle is not the best that we would like to see, because it has a pretty big wick, but it's still that's a confirmation for three white soldiers. So that gives really us confidence that the price will continue go up. But like we like to say, we never just take one thing and then start trading based on that. We always want to get more signals in our direction so we can consider entering a trade. Now let's talk about this big nice bullish candle. As you can see, the price was respecting the previous low and even this candle. So that was a pretty nice opportunity, to take a long over there. But this candle, I believe it happened on Friday, and there was news that hit the market, and that huge candle happened on Friday. And you see, if you were able to take this trade, you most likely were gonna be on the losing side, because if you set your stop loss under this zone, you were gonna get stopped, and then the price went back up. So the thing you can do is just when there is news going on, you can just stay away, or you can just simply react on that and move your stop loss on profit, or just get a wider stop loss, because there is a lot going on, and there is a lot of indecision candles. You see those huge wicks, so that says that there is a lot of news going on the market, and it's we prefer to stay away. when there is news, or we at least like to wait a few hours before the news and after the news, and then we can consider, and wait and see what's gonna happen. Now let's talk about the present, and we're looking at let me first actually draw this zone for you so you can actually see where we're looking at. You see how the price was respecting this zone, and it becomes support. You see how the price was just stopping there, and then before this huge candle, you see the break of this zone, but this is basically what we call fake breakout. We have spoke about the breakouts and what do we consider as a real breakout, not a fake one, but I'm not gonna talk about this in this video. If you guys want, let us know in the comments, and we can make another video for what do we consider as a real breakout and what is a fake breakout as well. Now let's look, as I said, at the present price. We see that big wick that we have after the price tested this zone again, and we see now this bullish candle. So we're of course gonna wait for this candle to close. This is one of our rule to wait, for the candle to close, and then we open a position. Forwarding the video, and as you can see, we have opened 2 positions, and you see actually how far our positions are open from where the price is right now. And the reason for that, guys, is the huge spreads. When you see such a big movements, such a big wicks and indecision in the market, that means that there is news on the market, as we spoke about, and the spreads are huge. Brokers say that this is to protect the traders and to keep us safe and whatever, but we know that big spreads are not good for the traders. So that's that. But you can see we already set our stop losses, and usually we set it a little bit under the previous candle, and this one we put it a little lower, and the reason for that is, as we spoke about, that there is news going on, and the market is really shaky. So that's why we like to make some room for our trade to have room to move. And even if the price come back down to test this zone, we want to have some room before our stop loss to get hit. And that's the reason why we have such a big stop loss in these cases. We're gonna be waiting and see what the price is gonna do, and see if we might actually close those trades before that, if we don't like something on the market, and you see how the price, if there is another news or something. But I'm gonna forward the video, and you guys see something here. We already moved our stop losses on profit. You already know that we always do that. This is like a part of our strategy, and I really hope you guys see it and implement it in your trading. You can see here this hammer that formed after the second candle, the second green candle. You see this is a very powerful formation. This is when we say between 70 and 75%, this is 70% of 70% chances of this trade happening to be successful. And why we say 70 and 75, because there is another 5% that are extremely important, and we try to have another confirmation, not just one thing. So we could have opened another trade over there, but we already have 2 open, and we do not really want to open another one. But now let's focus on the price. So what we like to do here is, usually you can close this trade because we have a previous high, and we're already passing it. So you can just simply close this trade, and collect your profits. Or since we moved our stop loss on profit, and actually we moved it, so we secure pretty nice profits already, we're gonna just wait a few more candles and see how the price will react, and then from there on we'll see if we're gonna close it or just keep it for now. But as I said, let's see how the price react, and if we have a nice break of this zone. And a few hours later, guys, as you can see, the price made a correction and then it went back up. So it break through this zone, and it was a huge, very nice movement, really nice movement. So it hit our take profits. But I want you to see something else. You see how we talk on the previous zone where the price was making those wicks, and you can see it right here as well. We have 4-5 wicks, so that's another like we like to say, the 70 to 75% chances probability of the market going back up, because it shows us that there is weakness on the bears. So the market is having trouble going back down and testing this zone, so it's making higher low, and that's why the price was keep going up. And you see that it break the previous high with not really much trouble. So that was a clean and nice breakout. But that was everything for this video, guys. As I said, I really hope you can implement those price actions that we're showing you here on your trading, and I really hope you're becoming more profitable. And if you like our video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. You guys really motivate us to make more quality videos. And if you wanna ask us something, just do it on the comment section below. And if you have if you have question, or you wanna any particular topic to be covered by us, we try to, you know, get it done for you. And yeah, that's it. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.